Are you looking to enhance your browsing experience and productivity? Meet the WebChat GPT Chrome Extension, your ultimate companion for seamless web interactions. In this video, we'll explore the incredible features of the WebChat GPT Chrome Extension and how it can transform the way you interact with the web. In the browser, type WebChat GPT and click on the link. On the WebChat GPT page, click on the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation dialog will pop up. Click Add Extension in the confirmation dialog. The extension will start downloading and installing. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the WebChat GPT icon in the Chrome toolbar. Click on the extension icon to open the WebChat GPT interface. That's it. You've successfully added the WebChat GPT Chrome Extension. The WebChat GPT Chrome Extension is designed to enhance your interactions with ChatGPT by providing relevant web results within the conversation. This feature helps ensure that the information provided by ChatGPT is accurate and up-to-date, making your conversations more informative and engaging. Thank you for watching.